Alright, this is 200 East 69th Street, kitchen renovations. This is before. Tiles need to be changed. She wants one without grout lines, and these need to be changed. Formica, maybe a black one, because they're getting a black stove over here, and we're waiting until they get that. That will take about 1 week. And also, the countertop needs to be changed to, here's the countertop, to one with black one, which I'll show you in a bit. This one over here as well. This needs to be changed, tempered, and the backsplash, she wants the same backsplash over here. Okay. And also this place, it needs painting. Painting has to be done over here. Probably Benjamin Moore or Matt's painting. And there's very little light here because it's a tiny kitchen, and since the cabinets are so low, this light doesn't really give light over here. And maybe we were thinking about doing recessed lighting over here, or LEDs or something like that. It's similar over there. Same thing there. Okay, and I think that's about it. What they want to do is try to do it without any wiring to be seen. And that's about it. So we'll come back on about 2 weeks from now when the stove is ready, and then we'll confirm the order. Alright.